y'all tapping into each and every video, because I swear without y'all I would not be here, y'all. So definitely appreciate it. Now let's go. So the name of this new course that we dropping, y'all, is gonna be called the Tapped In Crypto Club. So this is gonna be like an exclusive all access pass, y'all, for financial freedom, man. And y'all, I got some big news, big news when it comes to this crypto stuff, man. So today, my team has actually tracked Barron Trump's meme coin wallet, y'all. So if you don't know who Barron Trump is, do your research. Donald Trump's son, y'all. So Donald Trump's son is the youngest, richest person in the world, man, and all of his assets has come straight from digital currency and crypto. So his net worth is about, I believe, 80 million or so, and it's all through crypto, y'all. And guess what? We have access to his wallet firsthand. I can see everything that Mr. Barron Trump is trading, y'all, and I already got the tea on some real big tokens that's about to blow. So if you guys want to get in, you guys want to know my day-to-day trades that I'm copying from Mr. Barron Trump, this is your opportunity, y'all. I promise you, I am a great person. I have a great heart, and I'm strictly working through kindness, love, peace, and prosperity, man. So there is no shady bone in my body, y'all. So if you want to tap in, you want to make this money, please feel free. I will drop the link below for this new course. The only thing about this new course is you have to already have a crypto wallet set up. If you do not have a meme coin crypto wallet set up, or a wallet set up where you can purchase the meme coins that I'm going to be sending you guys, then you need to probably get my crypto wallet setup course. So boom, don't say I did not tell you guys, but you do have to get my crypto wallet setup course. It's a one-time fee. I will call you guys directly on the line and get you all set up and ready to start trading cryptocurrency, y'all. So the link for that will also be in the description and in my pinned comments, y'all. In my pinned comments and in the description. So y'all, we are about to go up, man. I just got all access to Mr. Barron Trump meme coin wallet, bro. So I can see in real time what Barron Trump is trading. Let's go, bro. We are about to go up, y'all. We are about to go up so crazy that you just don't know. The only way that you gonna know is if you tap in and if you get into this course, man. I promise you, I got y'all, and we're gonna definitely run it up together, man. I'm gonna let y'all see the full ins and outs. Also just give you guys growth tips, crypto tips, all kind of tips on how to buy, sell, trade, when to take profits, and everything like that, man. If you guys are very new to the crypto space, please go get my crypto wallet set up. I can get you guys started, get you in the game, because the crypto market never closes, y'all. Meme coin crypto market never closes. It's 24/7, 365. You can always be making money in the crypto space. That is the one biggest thing that I love about trading crypto. Unlike stocks, the stock market closes at a certain time every day. You cannot make any trades after that time has come. With crypto, you can always move your funds, you can always sell, you can always take profit, and you can always sometimes lose money. I hate to say that, because that's not what we about to be doing, but we are about to go up, y'all. So if you want to get into the course, like I said, I will drop the links below. Really quick, while y'all are here, all of my big crypto gurus and crypto lovers and new crypto beginners, man, please tap the like button for me right now, y'all. Please tap the like button on this video for me right now. It is free. Y'all did it. Y'all doing it. You got me. Bet. Let's go. I appreciate y'all tapping the like button. Also, drop a comment below on how y'all feel about the crypto space right now. What y'all think the crypto gonna do? Y'all think the crypto market is tanking, is crashing, or do y'all feel like it's very profitable? Honestly, me personally, I'm telling you guys, no matter what the government is doing, the crypto space will always be lucrative and a great place to make money. So if you're not scared to make money, if you're not scared to invest into yourself, if you're not scared to maybe lose a couple dollars here and there, 10 bucks, 20 bucks, because I can't say, y'all, this stuff is gonna always be perfect. It's not like you know, I don't want to sell you a dream at the same time, but guys, I have full access to Baron Trump's wallet. This is major, y'all. This is major. So I'm literally gonna be copying the most profitable youngest teenager in the world with these trades, man. So you guys do not want to miss out. I promise you, you don't want to miss out on this one. So tap in with me. This is Tapped In Tevo. I appreciate y'all watching this video. I will drop the links below, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, comment, y'all. We got to get this video out there. I'm trying to get everybody eating, man. I want everybody to eat. I am not a gatekeeper. I am not a gatekeeper. I do not do any gatekeeping when it comes to this content or these new opportunities, man, because I want everybody to succeed, man. My heart is just so big, bro. I want everybody to be good, everybody to be straight. I don't want anybody to be struggling or having to figure out how they're gonna pay their bills or how they're gonna eat tonight. None of that, man. This is the way, y'all. And you can start with as little as 20 bucks, y'all. You can start with as little as 20 bucks in this crypto market, man. You do not have to have a whole lot of money. You don't have to be rich. Yeah, so much opportunity, and there's so much money to be made in this space, y'all. So I appreciate y'all with tapping in with this video. Please make sure, like I said, to hit the like button, subscribe, and comment, man. And I got y'all. Let's go up with this crypto. I promise you. Let's get it.